Good morning, all. So, first class, right? So, in this class, I'll talk about what is Java. Introduction. Okay. Java. First of all, Java is a one platform independent, high level, object oriented programming language, and moreover, it is a one technology. Okay, let me write that one. Java is platform independent and object oriented. Moreover, it is programming language, also it is one technology. Okay, clear? So this is a simple definition. Java is one platform independent and object oriented programming language. Okay, this is first point. And simply, simply can I say it is one Java is a one platform independent because of it provided its own execution environment called JVM. Second point, Java is platform dot independent. PI stands for platform independent. Why? Because of has own execution environment called JVM. One more point. Java also already I mentioned it is one technology. Java is why? Because of has already provided ready-made and predefined APIs, libraries for fast and easy development application. Understood? So simply Java is one platform independent and it's a object oriented programming language moreover, and it is one technology. Why it is a technology? Because of it has already provided ready-made predefined API. Nothing but libraries for fast developing the application. And it is one platform independent. Why? Because of has what execution environment, nothing but JVM. Right? So what is the main purpose? What is the main purpose of Java? Means Java was invited to achieve platform independence for developing the internet-based business application. This is the main purpose to develop this Java. Understood? Let me write Java was invented to achieve platform independent independent for developing internet based business application and moreover by using Java we can develop more stand alone and internet application. This is the main purpose of Java. Java is invented to achieve the platform platform independence for developing the internet-based business application. Okay, and we have the C and C++ also, but they are not. They are only languages. They don't have any platforms and not technology. Because of C and C++ provide only syntaxes and semantics for developing the programs only. They don't provide execution environment or large set of ready-made libraries like a Java. Understood? Moreover, generally, this is the Java definition. This is the purpose. But in real time, where we will use Java? Usage in Java. First one, desktop application. Desktop application stands for like calculator, or Microsoft Word, etc. This is in real time they will use desktop application. By using Java only, they will create one application in the desktop calculator. Second one, web application. Web application, nothing but Redbus and this is under. If you come to enterprise applications, nothing but HDFC, banking sector, and the fourth category, mobile application. Mobile application in the Android, mobile, they will use Java coding and they will develop apps, right? If you go to the Play Store, apps available. Like all are, mostly they will use that for developing that application in the Android mobile using Java code. And what is the Fifth one, gaming application. In gaming application, simply Candy Crush. And in the Java we have a concept called as lambda. Right? In the lambda is one some topic is a concept. If you can learn this, you can go with the gaming application. Simply Candy Crush. And moreover, fifth one, robotic. Robotic applications like uh, any robotic applications, they will made chips, right? Example, let me write. What is that name? Robo, right? Something. Robo. Something. Right. Okay, Robo is fine. That is name. They made now Chitti. They use that one by using Java. Okay. For robo application, gaming application, mobile app development application, enterprise application like HDFC, right? In the HDFC for logic, they will build a logic. They will build logic with the Java only and web application like Redbus and Redbus and not only this one, I will say book my ticket. In book my ticket also, if you select one particular seat, another person couldn't again select that one. For that, we have to write logic. That logic we have to use the programming language that is simply Java. Here and we have actually who are from some CSE background, they have one doubt. When have to use C language, Java. Simply, we can use C for developing system level application software which are standalone and platform dependent only. Then we have to go with the C language. Okay, let me write that one. Can use C language for system application level software which are standalone. Which are standalone and platform dependent. Platform dependency. For example, let me write OS, operating system, and drives and when we have to go with Java, Java for developing a application only. For developing application software either standalone via internet also. Either standalone and internet also. This is the key point. when you have to go with C, when you have we have to use the C language developing the system application level and system application level software, which are standalone applications, which are standalone and platform dependent. And examples are OS, driver. And when you have to go with Java for developing the application, either standalone and combination of internet application. Right? When you, if you use the Java, these are all applications. Desktop applications, web applications, enterprise applications, mobile applications, like some example like gaming applications and robotic applications also. Right? Both use the standalone application and internet application, then you have to go with the Java. And these are all the sub applications. Clear? So let me go to the history. So simple brief. So James Gosling and some other are Java language. I mean, they are invented this one project in 1991. So Java was originally designed for developing the software for network consumer electronic devices. After that, the language was initially called as a OOC. I mean that actually OOC is one tree name. Okay, like their office nearby one tree is there. After that, they are slowly invented. They are called as it is a OOC, and that stood outside of the Gosley's office. After that, what he do? He went renamed as a Java. Simply, actually after that they assigned name as a to the programming language Java. Simply Java is there is no abbreviation for Java, no abbreviation, right? So the name Java specifically doesn't have any meaning. Rather, it is just a refer to a coffee cup. Just a coffee cup. That's it. Not much, not too much details. Like James Gosling invented in 1991. Originally, they are developing for the purpose network consumer electronic device purpose. They developed after that. They renamed as a oak. That is oak simply is a one tree name, right? Exactly, not exactly that one. So this is the thing. So it's nearby that office. Then after that, renamed as a just Java because of might be uh, he is believe that his programming language also as strong as the some copy Java seeds is there, right? So they are renamed as a Java. Simple. There is no much very detailed history that much. So I already informed that Java is first one programming language, right? Why we need programming language? Every programming language is meant for developing a program to implement an operation to be performed by computer. This is the main thing. Let me write that one. Every programming language meant for developing a program to implement an operation to be performed by computer. Basically, program language are created automatic business operated to be performed by the computer. This is the main thing, right? So why? So this is the actual need. Every programming language meant they are developed. They are, I would say, they are. This is meant for developing one program to implement an operation to be performed by the one computer. Suppose what is our requirement? Suppose client has one requirement. Client has requirement. They will give to developers. Developers will analyze that one, right? They will analyze. They will take. They will write the code of that. Lot of things like they will do perform test cases on that. After that, they will hand over to client again. This is the thing. Client has one requirement. Developers will hand over that. It will take that. After analyzing that, they will create the application. So here they will analyze. They will create one application. In that application they will do some test cases, and after they will release in the after test some multiple they will prepare some documents, all these things, some test cases will happen. After that they will release in the live server. Nothing but uh, nothing but client will receive that one. So developer thing is deliver the application by using programming language. Clear? That is the main thing. So for that, first point, let me write 24 by 7. 24 by 7 and 365 days. 365 days we run our business, right? This is the main thing, right? If you go to the any e-commerce website, it will run 24 hours, right? And moreover, we can have good relationship with our customer. Take any e-commerce website, right? That is the client goal. We can have good relationship with customer. And yeah, and it is a more secure and accurate. These are all will give the several benefits over the manual operation by using the program. Clear? This is the main. This is the we need. This is the purpose of programming language. Every programming language developing for the implement the operations to be performed by using computer. Clear? After that, let me talk about some language, right? Language fundamental. So Java language, you take any language has some several fundamentals. Okay. Let me write those fundamentals. Language fundamentals. First thing, data types. Every programming language will provide same fundamental concept perform achieve to implement the logic for an operation by developing a program. So they are categorized into four types. One is the data type. Okay. In that we have literals and variables, moreover objects. So data types. Second thing is operator. Okay, we have some several types of operations: arithmetic, logical, relational, all these things. I will explain in the future course of period what is the operation, where we have to use the and AND operations on it. Okay, and control flow statement. Control flow statement and fourth one exception handling. Okay, I have created one application. At the time of execution, I have been disturbed with some errors. Then we have to handle with the concept called as exception handling. Okay? These are all the fundamentals. If you write any program, any language you have these fundamentals. You take any language. There should be data types. There should be operators. With that operators only, they will create. I mean, they will write some conditions. They will write some. They will perform some functionality of their control flow statement. Right. So we have the this one decision making statement and loop there. And moreover, exception handling. You have to we have to handle that exception as a developer with the some try catch. Okay, and platforms. Let me write Java as code. First one Java SE. Second one is Java Devil. Okay. Second one, third one is Java ME. Fourth one is Java FX. What is Java SE? Stands for standalone application. And Java Devil, nothing but internet and enterprise. Enterprise application. And this one ME stands for mobile application for developing. We have micro edition. And FX is the RIA, which is nothing but rich internet application. Actually, we are not using this one. We will concentrate on Java. RIA stands for rich internet application. Clear? And the most important thing is here Java, nothing but Java standard elevation, Java standard addition. This becomes root technology on concept for developing any technology based on the software, right? If you are strong in like Java SE concepts, we can easily shift from another technology based on project to another technology. Like, let me write this one. So here, Java SE become the root. Root technology on concept for developing any new technology based on based on this is the thing. So Java can Java is nothing but core Java. Core Java. Okay. So what are the technologies based on this core Java? Like online, first one is Selenium. Second thing is Handle. Third one is data science, DS. Generally they will call it DS and Table. Fourth one is Oracle. So Oracle own is JDK, right? Nowadays Oracle is the if you want to download the any JDK version, you have to go in the Oracle website. Now fifth one is SAP. So this is also technology based on the SC. So Java standard SC become the root technology on the concept of developing the new technology. These are all the new technologies, right? SAP, data science, Tableau, right? And moreover, Salesforce. Salesforce, nothing but Salesforce might be you can heard about like if you want to sell, if you want to sell one product, they will this team they have some team and they will project their products in the rich look in the website. So this is one thing, Salesforce. So and cloud computing. Moreover, is one right Java application also based on the core Java. And one Android. And one .NET. Level one PHP. PHP one language is Python. Okay. So what I'm trying to make a point here, Java SE became the root technology. Right? If you learn this Java SE concepts like fundamentals, right? If you learn these fundamentals and core concepts, then based on the Java SE root technology on the concept for based on this root technology as a Java SE on this concept whatever they have, this is the main source root for the developing the new technology like data science, cloud computing, Android, .NET, PHP, and Python. Okay, that is the thing. We'll discuss about many Java and their yeah, this is also done. History. Okay, yeah, platform independency. Okay, I will explain tomorrow. Why it is a Java is platform independent. Yeah, you know, right? C language is not a platform independent. It's a platform dependent, right? So if Java is a one platform independent, like okay, I will explain briefly tomorrow. After that, what is why the need of programming language? After that, compiler, JVM. This one also I will explain tomorrow. At the time of JDK, I will explain. After that, language fundamentals. So data types I will briefly explain for period. So today introduction only. So platforms. After that, this is yeah Java Standard Edition and their application. So we have already discussed the four platforms. Right? We have Java has four platforms. In that, one is the Java SE. Okay, Java SE meant for standalone application development. Okay, first one, Java stands for Java Platform Standard Edition. Okay, it provides concept for developing the desktop standalone, nothing but CUI and GUI, graphical user interface application, appliance database, interaction application, distributed application, and XML facing apps. And Java DB stands for Java Platform Enterprise Edition. Maximize this one. Okay. Uh, why Java DB provide what it does? It provides concept for developing web and enterprise application and intro programmable application. Programmable application, nothing but yeah, programmable both Paytm, bank, like that is for Java DB, right? If you use the Java DB, you can develop the web application. And Java ME stands for Java Platform Micro Edition. Like it is the, actually we are not using these two, but we have this concept in the Java SE, J2W, right? Java ME, Java ME. So Java ME stands for Java Platform Micro Edition. It provides concept for developing the mobile and electric device level application. This edition is called as a micro. Because of this edition, programs are embedded in the small chips and insert in the chip only program embedded in chips is called also simply micro. Moreover, put one Java FX stands for Java Platform FX. It provides concept for developing rich internet applications which are more graphics and animation. Java FX is the extension for the Swing application of Java. So these are all the four platforms. This is the main route for the Java SE. Based on this Java SE only, new technologies were developed like Selenium, Hadoop, Scala, Spark, Data Science, and Oracle, SAP, Salesforce, CRM, cloud computing, Java DB, Android, right? PHP, and recently came Python, right? Yeah. So these for these all technologies, Java is the root. So yeah, that's it about today. Only introduction. Tomorrow I will. Okay, that's it about today. Let me stop share screen.